Do you know what are blue chip stocks? I do, and we'll share with you today in this video. What's up guys, my name is Ken. In this video today we are reviewing blue chip stocks. You learn the characteristics of blue chip stocks, the best ones in the stock market, and why does everyone would want to own these blue chip stocks. So let's go straight to the topic. Blue chip stocks are the stocks of well-known high-quality companies that are leaders in their industries. These companies have stood the test of time and gained the respect of their customers and their shareholders. Blue chip companies often make regular and growing dividend payments also. With solid business models, blue chip stocks have produced long records of attractive returns, and that's made them among the most popular individual stocks in the stock market. They are very much loved by conservative investors who are looking for places to put their money to work. So in short, what are blue chip stocks? A blue chip stock is defined as a security that represents an equity position in a company that possesses most of the following characteristics. The one is an industry leader with a dependable business model. The second is a proven track record and strong reputation with customers and shareholders. The third one is a history of delivering strong returns over the long term. And mostly, blue chip stocks pays dividends to shareholders and regularly increases the payments. Even if you've never invested, you'll recognize the names of many top blue chip stocks. The products and services provided by these large cap companies are part of everyday life for billions of people across the globe. We're gonna review some of the best blue chip companies in the market, so here's the first one. The first on the list is Apple. Apple is one of the largest companies in the world, and it's been a pioneer in the technology sector throughout its history, with an array of products from its innovative Macintosh computers in the 1980s and the iPod portable media player in 2001 to its iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches today. Apple has won a core following of customers around the world with the flock to buy its latest product. Apple also earns recurring revenue through its services, which include the groundbreaking iTunes, App Store, and streaming television businesses. And currently, Apple's market capitalization is around $2 trillion. The second company in the list is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has been a leader in the beverage industry for more than a century, as its namesake sugary soft drink has spawned a global empire. Yet Coca-Cola has also proven that it can change with the times, and now the beverage leader has a much broader array of products, including juices, sport drinks, bottled water, and soft drinks tailored for more health-conscious consumers. Rising dividends also make Coca-Cola stand out with a streak of consecutive annual dividend payments increase that dates back to the early 1960s and has put it among the top 10 dividend stocks in the market. The third one on the list is Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is well known for its popular consumer products, including baby shampoo, Band-Aids, and Tylenol pain reliever, but Johnson & Johnson is a true healthcare giant, making a wide area of medical devices to help doctors and other medical professionals perform life-saving procedures. Moreover, Johnson & Johnson have a vast pharmaceutical business, producing drugs like the arthritis treatment Remicade, prostate cancer fighter Zytiga, and psoriasis drug Stelara. With its huge scope, Johnson & Johnson makes a difference in the lives of millions of people worldwide. The next company is Walt Disney. Walt Disney has an illustrious history, starting with its namesake creator's disruptive innovations in the animation industry. Since the early 20th century, Disney has transformed itself into an overarching media and entertainment titan. Its movie studios have made massive acquisitions to become a driving force in Hollywood, but it has also built out its television business, which includes key assets like the ABC broadcast network and the ESPN sports franchise. Disney also has huge exposure to the travel industry, with its theme parks being landmark destinations for many vacationers and its cruise ships helping to introduce Disney fans to the seas. Add to that an extensive network of retail stores, and it's clear how Disney has mastered the art of touching the customers' lives in many different ways. Bigger list of blue chip investors actually have a stable number of blue chip stocks to choose from. Here are a list of 20 other top blue chip stocks. They are AT&T, AbbVie, 3M, Lockheed Martin, Enbridge, Procter & Gamble, JP Morgan Chase & Co., Walmart, Microsoft, Caterpillar, United Health Group, Starbucks, Cisco Systems, Boeing, McDonald's, Home Depot, Verizon Communications, Merck, Intel, and Goldman Sachs Group. Now let's review why blue chip stocks are considered as smart investments. Before we go, just trade the like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. You can also buy me a coffee, link is down in the description. Blue chip stocks are smart investments for investors of all kinds. Beginner investors are likely familiar with the products and services of blue chip companies. Familiarity with a company makes stock buying more comfortable, and it's exciting to become a partial owner of a business you know. Meanwhile, long-term investors will have seen blue chip stocks rise to the top over the long haul, outlasting their weaker rivals and finding ways to stay relevant and keep growing even as their industries change. Investors may also want to consider exchange-traded funds or ETFs and mutual funds that bundle multiple blue chip stocks into a single security. Blue chip funds offer an easy way to build diversified exposure to high-quality stocks, and these equities can be particularly good investment vehicles for people who are in or nearing retirement because they tend to be less volatile than individual stocks. Blue chip stocks can also be a good fit for younger investors who are seeking the defensive advantages of diversification or who don't have the time needed to adequately research individual stocks. No matter how long have you been investing, if you are a conservative investor, you can appreciate the stability and reliability that blue chip businesses give to their shareholders. Blue chip stocks often hold up better during dramatic downturns than their smaller rivals, and their investors tend to remain more confident about their long-term prospects than about those of less established businesses. Many of these companies pay substantial dividends and have payout growth streaks that have earned them a spot among the illustrious ranks of dividend aristocrats and dividend kings. If you are looking for maximum growth in your stock investments, you also want to go beyond blue chip stocks to look at some up-and-coming small-cap stocks of innovative, young companies that are seeking to disrupt their larger rivals. These high-growth upstarts aim to be the blue chip stocks of tomorrow. However, just about every investor can benefit from having a portion of their portfolio invested in blue chip stocks. It doesn't have to be a set percentage, as different investors will have different viewpoints about how much risk they want to assume. The more you want to preserve and protect the money you have invested in the stock market, however, the more attractive blue chip stocks will be as you try to meet your objective and reach your long-term investment goals. Drop a comment below what blue chip stocks you would buy first or already bought one. I read all the comments and really like replying them. There are more videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.